Nursery flower plants. Today, I will talk about nursery flower plants. A plant nursery is a place where young plants are grown and cared for before they are sold or planted in gardens. Nursery flower plants include roses, petunias, marigolds, pansies, lilies, and many other flowering plants. These plants are grown from seeds, cuttings, or bulbs in a healthy environment. In a nursery, flower plants are kept in good soil, proper sunlight, and regular watering. Gardeners take special care to protect them from pests and diseases. Healthy nursery plants grow faster and produce more flowers after planting. Buying flower plants from a nursery is helpful because the plants are already strong and well developed. They can easily adjust to home gardens, pots, and flower beds. Nursery flower plants make gardens colourful, improve air quality, and create a pleasant environment. They also support bees and butterflies. In conclusion, nursery flower plants are the best choice for anyone who loves gardening and wants beautiful, healthy flowers.